Welcome to Dr. B's tutorials. Today we are learning how to combine like terms. Like terms are terms that have the same variable raised to the same power. By combining them, we simplify algebraic expressions, making equations easier to solve. This is a foundational skill in algebra, which you will use in solving equations and simplifying expressions. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to combine like terms quickly and accurately. Like terms share the same variable and the same exponent. For example, 3x and 7x are like terms because the variable is x in both. On the other hand, 2x and 2y are not like terms because the variables are different. When combining like terms, we only add or subtract the coefficients. The variables stay the same. Always check carefully that both the variable and the exponent match before combining. Combining like terms helps simplify expressions and makes equations less complicated. By reducing clutter, you can focus on the key parts of the expression. This is especially helpful when solving multi-step equations. Simplifying step by step ensures you don't make mistakes. It also prepares you for more advanced algebra topics like factoring and the distributive property. Here's our first example. Simplify 3x plus 5x. Both terms have the same variable x, so they can be combined. Add the coefficients 3 plus 5 equals 8. Keep the variable part x unchanged, giving 8x as the result. This is a simple case, but it shows the basic principle of combining like terms. Next example, 2a plus 3b plus 5a. We first combine like terms with the variable a, 2a plus 5a equals 7a. The term with variable b, 3b, cannot be combined with a terms. So the simplified expression is 7a plus 3b. Always remember to only combine terms with exactly the same variable. Now, let's do subtraction. 9y minus 4y. Both terms have the same variable, y, so they are like terms. Subtract the coefficients. 9 minus 4 equals 5. The variable y remains unchanged. The simplified expression is 5y, which is the correct result. Constants are numbers without variables and can be combined separately. For example, 3x plus 5 plus 7x plus 2. Combine the x terms first. 3x plus 7x equals 10x. Then combine the constants. 5 plus 2 equals 7. The final simplified expression is 10x plus 7. Here's a mixed example. 2x plus 3 plus 5x minus 1. Combine the x terms first. 2x plus 5x equals 7x. Then combine the constants. 3 minus 1 equals 2. The simplified expression is 7x plus 2. Always group like terms separately to avoid mistakes. Even simple problems can lead to mistakes if you're not careful. Common mistakes include trying to combine unlike terms like x plus y. Another is forgetting to keep the variable attached to the coefficient. Mixing up signs can also give incorrect results. Always check carefully before finalizing your simplified expression. A great visual tip is to color code your terms. For example, mark all x terms in red, all y terms in blue. In 3x plus 2y plus 5x, combining like terms is easier visually. This prevents accidental addition of unlike terms. Color coding also helps make your work neat and checkable. Now it's your turn to practice combining like terms. Try simplifying these three expressions. First, 4x plus 8x, then 2y plus 5 plus 3y plus 1, and finally 7a minus 2a plus 9. Pause the video and solve each one step by step. Check your answers to ensure you combined like terms correctly. Let's recap. Like terms have the same variable and exponent. We combine coefficients only, keeping the variable unchanged. Constants can also be combined, but separately from variables. Simplifying expressions step by step makes solving equations much easier. Next, we will learn the distributive property, which uses these same skills in a new way. That's it for now. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and check out Dr. B's tutorials on Amazon for full AP and IB study guides. See the first link in the comment below. For more tutorials and test prep videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Dr. B's Tutorials.